Let me start with you, Mona.
Good afternoon, y'all. I'm Mona Bennett, Executive Director of the Atlanta Harm Reduction Coalition Incorporated, AHARC. We've been helping people to save their own lives in the English Avenue community, the greater Atlanta area, and Georgia for almost 19 years. AHARC helps people to protect themselves from HIV, viral hepatitis, other sexually transmitted infections, and to promote healthy and wise decisions through harm reduction. What's harm reduction? It's a way of thinking that recognizes that people gonna do what they're gonna do. Have sex, take drugs, take all kinds of risks. We look at the mechanics of those risks, especially sex and harm reduction, and look for ways to reduce the risk at every possible turn. If the sex involves a penis, put a condom on that penis. Tobacco users may want to consider using the patch or nicotine gum. Friends, don't let friends drive drunk. Hydrate early and often. Cheers. Wash your hands. Use a sterile syringe anytime you inject anything. If you don't have a sterile syringe for each and every injection, clean the ones you have with water, bleach and more clean water. Harm reduction is incremental, is the tiniest baby steps of change. Put enough of those baby steps together and you have big changes. Long-lasting changes happen slowly, in pieces, and with relapses. Yeah, there are those who can put down the needle, the pipe, the cigarette, the bottle, and the sugar, walk away and never look back. But the rest of us, well, we gotta break that change down into manageable steps in order to succeed. Harm reduction, I ain't telling you to stop anything until you're ready to stop. And only you know that because you are the expert on you. There are reasons why we do what we do about anything, especially around sex and substance use. Taking away someone's coping mechanism before they are ready to, before they have another one in place, that hurts. We want to help people make healthier and wiser choices about their lives. Among other things, Atlanta Harm Reduction runs Georgia's only syringe exchange program twice a week, less than a mile from here. We may or may not be breaking the official code of Georgia Annotated 13-16-32, Georgia's paraphernalia law. According to the law, it's illegal to sell, lend, rent, lease, give, exchange, or otherwise distribute to any person a hypodermic needle or syringe designed or marketed primarily for human use. It is an affirmative defense that the hypodermic needle or syringe was, let's see, where am I? That needle or syringe, if you're doing this for a legitimate medical purpose, it's cool. I think we're doing this for a legitimate medical purpose because we're trying to stop the spread of HIV, all that bloodborne stuff. If I am breaking the law, I'm breaking a law that's promoting disease and death. I'm very, 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 very humbly following in the footsteps of all the civil rights leaders in Atlanta. How does this relate to Atlanta area colleges? Students from local colleges and universities have been helping AHARC to reduce the harm and to produce health since we've started. Among the many co-founders of AHARC are students from the Rollins School of Public Health at Emory University. We've hosted students for community service and urban learning experiences from Spelman College, the Interdenominational Theological Center, Emory University, and Georgia Tech. We've hosted college students from as far away as Michigan and Colorado through alternative break programs. Those programs where people do service work during their spring breaks and other breaks instead of turning naked, drunken cartwheels in Cancun or Fort Lauderdale. We've had great student interns from the Ethics and Servant Leadership Program at the Emory University Center for Ethics. The very first intern we had is now on our board of directors, along with Mother Mamie Moore. Our current intern is a registered nurse, and he knows his way around grants and budgets. Oh, if you run a nonprofit, you know what kind of gold that is. I hope we can hire them. Several groups of volunteer students, incoming students at the Rollins School of Public Health, have donated mornings to us to package outreach supplies. I want more of these experiences at AHARC. A lot of students in the Atlanta University Center and Georgia Tech know little about these communities. Hey, AHARC always needs volunteers. I do see some students in the English Avenue and Vine City communities, like all the students that helped at the Festival of Lights. I saw students helping to do the community cleanups. I see some students living in English Avenue. I still want more. The Festival of Lights is gearing up for Black History Month. I can imagine that Mother Moore and Tracy Bates will need help with that. It's always time to start planning for the 6th annual Festival of Lights. There are always community cleanups happening. Join them. Community gardens are springing up. Come play in the dirt. There are walking tours of the community. Get your exercise on and get your history on. Dr. Cherie Davis Faulkner of Georgia Tech and Spelman has made it her business to learn the Westside communities and promote the Westside communities. Take any courses, attend any programs about the history of Westside communities, especially her courses and programs. Attend more meetings like these. Attend any related events. Serve on any committees that interest you. Get in the communities. Excuse me, Representative Thomas. When is your Christmas party and where will it be?
Saturday, December 21st, Boys and Girls, Belleville Boys and Girls Club, 11 to 2, and we are working with Westside Communities Alliance or something else, so we do need some more toys, so I think the flyer that you got about the toys, I think that's us. Help us out, and we definitely need volunteers.
All right now, there you go. Toys, volunteers. Mabel, Representative Thomas. So, help a sister out, all right? Hey, y'all are students, especially Georgia Tech and AU Center students, faculty, staff. Y'all are stakeholders. Act like it, please. There's the English Avenue Neighborhood Associated meetings on the first Saturday of the month, 10 to noon at the Police Brotherhood building, 581 Josephine Boone and Wheeler? Boone and Wheeler. I don't know where it is, but find and attend the Vine City Civic Association meetings. Anybody know about that? When and where they are? Well, we're going to find out, okay? There's the NPUL, the Neighborhood Planning Unit meetings that happen right here the second Tuesday of the month. All right. Hey, there's always AHARC. Ask me about that. Get involved, stay involved. Thank you.